Yo, what is up, guys? It's your boy Raptor XC here. It is currently, I don't know if you can see, but it's 10:53. I am gonna currently be going to a car meet. Well, it's not a car meet, but it's like a grand opening almost. Watch, let me pull up the picture. I saw it on Instagram. Let me. Oh, you can't see anything. Dang. Probably in the shade, but it's today. It started at 11 and it is 10:54. But as you could tell, I saw it from Silver McGeorge. Oh my god. His 370 is so cool. Like, once I get a 370, or I don't know if I'm gonna get a 370 or a GTR, I'm not 100% sure, but I'm gonna make it. If I get a 370, I'm gonna make it look like his. Watch. Like, this is one of his pictures, which I have as my background, if you could tell. His car and then the time. But yeah, ooh, a Mustang. That thing's loud. Dang. I wouldn't mind owning one of those, to be honest. Mustangs are quite nice, but there's a couple nice cars out. Wait. One of these days, I'm probably gonna head to like the night car meets. Well, not one of these days, but like in the future, because those car meets are pretty dope. I just gotta get my license, and then I'll probably like buy a car and like head to one of those or something. But if not, it will be soon. But I'm gonna go hop on the light rail and I'll see you guys inside. Peace. Well, I am back. It is currently almost 1 o'clock and I barely got out the light rail, and I'm currently at a bus station, as you could tell over there. But yeah, I gotta take a bus from there all the way to here, and then I gotta walk to there. I should have taken Uber or something. It would have been like faster, but the bus is alright for now. I'll probably take an Uber back. If not, I'll try to like catch a ride, like call one of my members. But yeah, hopefully there's gonna be good cars. It was like an hour inside the light rail. As you could hear, like there's a couple nice cars out here. Let's see, there's a Mustang right here. Well, I think it's stock, I don't know. Oh, it's a girl driving. What? But yeah. Oh, let me show you more info. If it loads. No. I am back. I guess I missed the stop because I have my headphones on. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. But it dropped me off at the Tesla store, so I'm gonna see if I could find a Model 3 or something, and then I'm gonna walk to the location that's there. Oh wait, I'm going the wrong way. So I gotta go that way. But I'm gonna quickly look at the Tesla vehicles, even though I can't buy one because I'm a kid. But yeah, let's see what they got. So I didn't know that they taped the front, because that one, I think they wrapped their cars, because look. Dang, sadly it's like super dirty. But yeah, Model X, Model S, I think that is, the X. Ooh, one of these with the white interiors, so clean, with the black wheels. Best combination. But I don't know if they have a Model 3. I low-key want to go inside. YOLO, I'm gonna go inside. I'll see you guys inside. Hopefully they don't tell me anything. Dang, look at that clean Subaru. Yeah, that Subaru is clean. I don't know if you could see it, but that thing's clean. Let's see what else we could find. I'm gonna go more close to the street so like we can see better cars. Like that car right there. It's either a CTSV or an ATSV, unless if it's just a base model, which I think they have. I'm not 100% sure, but I gotta go to that street over there and then walk that way. Well, I could cross over here, but I'm not, because I don't want to get run over. But yeah, they had no Model 3s at the Tesla, unless that's somehow a Model 3. But yeah, I'm gonna head to the location and I'll see you guys there. Alright, we are currently at the meet. They have some pretty good cars, but I had to order the food. What's their name? Oh, Subtime. Shout out to them for coming. Let's see if this is good. Steak and cheese, a regular. Overall $13. Not that bad. But yeah, I'm gonna be shooting with the Infiniti G37, Taze GTR, the Liberty Walk GTR, another 2017 Liberty Walk GTR, and then right next to it, it's a Mercedes. But I'm gonna quickly eat and I'll record more of the scene. See you guys in a little bit. Alright, we are back. I just finished eating. I am here with the Subaru WRX. Elite tuner. There's obviously like more cars. There's GTRs, there's the 350s, 370 Nismos, G37s I think it is, Mercedes. Watch, oh, there's even a GTST Skyline over here that I'll show you guys. There's a stock 370 I think it's probably like modded. Oh yeah, it is. Has some wheels, but under the hood I'm not 100% sure, but it's overall clean. Oh yeah, it's modded. Ooh, he got lucky with that plate. That's pretty cool. But oh, I guess the R32 left, but there's Mustangs and then a whole lineup of Z's. Toyota Supra. It's kind of like all messed up, as you guys could tell, like through this and then that, but it's pretty clean. Oh, I gotta hide that. No, I'm just kidding, you guys already saw it. But I think like something happened to it or something. I'm not 100% sure, but oh yeah, as you guys could tell, there's like no motor in there, so it's just like parked there. The wheels are clean, but there's a 350 with Toyo tires, I think. Fox. Oh yeah, Toyo. The wheels are clean. Or tires, rims, a blacked out logo. Sticks. I'd own one of these, to be honest. If I couldn't get the 370, I would own a 350. Oh, I think these are like the color shifting lights. I'm not 100% sure, but if they are, I want to get something like that for my 370. Like, so you could turn it like the lights red. I'd like to own one of those things. Oh my god, I just burped. Captain. Single exhaust, not the dual. Let's see which one. Oh yeah, he has dual. You could tell like it shoots fire, it seems like, because it's kind of black right there, but not 100% sure. Part of AZVQ, that's cool. Gotta represent AZ. The Ducktail R3 or Rev Up Z. Oh, that's clean. Concept Z Performance. Once I get my 370 or 350, I'm gonna go there for sure. Ooh, some G35s came. Wait, is it? Yeah, G35s. A 300ZX with the charger over there. The G35s I was talking about. Clean. I like the rims. And then the one in the back has some like white rims. We'll be back to those right now. A GTI with the Acura TSX, I think. No, I'm probably wrong. I'm not good with my Acuras, but oh, it doesn't say. Oh, roast me in the comments if I got it wrong. Oh, there it is. That's so clean. If Young Metro don't trust you. Oh shit. Sounds clean. I like how the VQ sound. Stock 370Z wheels. I forgot the reason. Like he said, I heard him say something about it, but I forgot the reason. He has the, I think that's for the harnesses, but I'm not 100% sure. But 300ZX, they're clean. It's a clean car. Ha. I don't know who did that, but yeah. Oh, they have a Corvette too. A Charger. If you guys like this Charger, hit him up. No, I'm just kidding. Follow him on Instagram, 392_Pedro. No, Petro. But I'm not sure what type this is. I think it's a base model, but I'm not sure. Or is it an SRT? Oh, Scat Pack. There it is. Dang, that logo is quite nice. Camonian. I don't know. There's a couple more cars like over there. A Corvette. Carbon dash. Ooh. A hood. It seems like it shoots fire. Probably, I don't know. Corvette. Probably a hidden turbo somewhere over there, unless the turbos are in the back, because some Corvette owners do that. Unless like 1320, I know that he put it in the back. But let's see if it's boosted. Oh yeah, it is boosted. You could tell because of the, oh dang, I accidentally hit the car. I'm about to get sued. But yeah, more Mustangs. Gotta run away. Oh, this is how it sounds. Vehicle. There's some more VQs, 350s with, oh my god, I love 350s. I never would not like them. Ooh, look at this Evo. For a second I thought it was just like winter camo, but it's females. I had to get up close to notice that it was like females. Has some bride seats with the Sparko. No, yeah. Oh no, it's not Sparko. He's correct about that. Team SWAT, that's their Facebook. Make sure you like it, follow it. He even has an Instagram. It's like Team SWAT Prez or something like that. Ooh, corn fuel. E85. Sadly, there isn't E85. I'm SWAT. I'm not speeding, I'm qualifying. This Evo is so clean. With the huge wing. I like how it has like the huge, I think a 370 with the, seems like the Tommy exhaust. Oh, is that a Tommy? Duh. See, I know my stuff. Easy VQ. No Instagram, but overall a clean car with the 350 right next to it. Just imagine a garage with either these two or with the Evo and a 370. That's my dream garage right there. Or a GTR. 370 with the GTR. This SRT Challenger. Clean. We got an Accord. Another Accord. Follow him at Joseph. And then this one's a slammed Accord with camber. And then a Civic Si built by Flores. That's correct. Oh, I like this. I'm about to. Oh, I like this a lot. Oh, my bad. This part. Come on, officer. How about a warning? I wonder if he ever gets warnings. Part of Team SWAT. He's part of Team SWAT. Oh, that's pretty dope. This probably is upgraded. Yeah, it is upgraded. Carbon fiber hood. Regular black splitter. But overall so clean. Oh, dang. Recaros. Manual. Dang, this thing's clean. Super black. That's what I'm gonna do. Tint out the rears. But yeah, this Evo is overall clean. Exposed. I think it is exposed. We can see it. The inside of it. Man, I don't know about my cars that much. I only know a little bit. 350. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted. If I do, then that sucks. But it sucks because my tripod basically broke on this. So another 350. These two together. Straight thickness. Heck yeah. We got the Accord again. Got 370Z Nismo. I like how it has the red and black engine cap. Ooh. Upgraded upgraded carbon fiber wing. I mean mirror. Ooh, I think this is the Muse body kit spoiler, which is my favorite. Boost loading. My friend used to have that. Ooh, there goes another car. Ooh. Oh yeah, Nismo Fairlady Z, which I'm gonna do that to my car. I'm gonna add that piece. Another 350. Ooh, bags. QCD. I like how they're wide from the factory. Look, peep the wideness. The wideness. Oh, air suspension. Oh, Tommy exhaust, I think it is. But the louvers. I mean, you can't even see anything, sadly. But it's a regular. Ooh, that's clean. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted, so I'm gonna pause that here real quick. We got a Subaru WRX. I think I showed this already, but it's so you guys can see it again. There's not enough footage of cars. Oh, for a second I kind of got scared that the kid was taking a picture, but a 350 carbon fiber entry. Honestly, like it when they have these, but I like it when they have two for some reason. More airflow. Blacked out logo, custom hood, and then they have a, I don't know what car this is, I forgot, but has like the same red on like the Nismos. Ooh, with these wheels, I think TJ had those type of wheels, but I don't remember. I don't want to hear. Oh, follow 93AZ on Instagram if you guys like this car. Oh dang, the Subaru.
Yeah, I mean it's like a bag thingy.
NV my BQ. Oh, it's a Q50. Rip Tommy. Rest in peace to them. Ooh, a Miata with bride and everything. Upgraded Mishimoto HPS performance product. Moroso. Dang, I wonder how much horsepower this is. It's a clean build. Oh, an R32 Skyline. I'm gonna quickly take pictures of it on my Instagram and I'll be back. Alright, sadly these are all. I think they're all leaving, I don't know. That's a girl. That's crazy. That's cool though. But yeah, 300ZX, 350Z, another 350Z. With that guy's leaving too. Sounds clean, sounds clean. People are leaving since it's, oh yeah, it's 2:14 right now. And it ends at 3. Oh dang, I gotta go take a picture of Tay's GTR before she leaves. But yeah, overall clean. Got some more cars showing up. Oh, they're about to leave right now. Ooh, I wonder if they're gonna be doing a pool. I kind of want to follow them out. But clean. We got the other 350. And I can't forget about the 300ZX. Yeah, I can't wait until I have a car and be like them. Just roll out. Oh, what is this? A GT5. Let's see. You could hear a little bit, but I think that was. You can't hear the 350s. Oh, so. Oh, you could hear them. Oh, those are leaving. Yeah, I gotta quickly. Oh, they're drifting. What? Well, a car is drifting. We got another Jeep. The Skyline. These are dope. But I had to take a picture. I took a picture of the Skyline. I took a picture of some other cars. But we are back at the location. Filthy Samurai. Liberty Walk GTR. Honda S2000. A 350Z. These are so clean. Sparko.
Or unless you know how to work on them.
Oh, art. Convertible manual. This is clean. Dang, a lot of people are leaving. Well, I'll be back. I'm gonna quickly take pictures of some cars and I'll see you guys in a little bit. We are back. I don't know if I've seen this, but if I showed this yet. R32 GTR. Clean. I love the wheels. Oh, they're doing raffles. But I would love to own one of these. A straight dream car. Especially with this type of wing. Honestly, this is my favorite. Because you could like just like stickers of letters and like spell something out. Right hand drive. Oh, they got a tripod. YouTuber question? I don't know. Alkanai Motorsports. I think that's where they bought it. Not 100% sure. And then we got Tay's GTR. Filthy Samurai. Liberty Walk. First time honestly seeing it, which is crazy. I really love that sticker too. All the stickers. Autobahn. I really love that plate too. Alpha has an Alpha pack. And then we got this GTR too. What is it? I think it's like a 2017 model because it's completely, yeah, it's a 2017 model. I've seen this on AZ Street Heat a couple times. It is clean. Has a custom like wide fender option on it. Has a lot of carbon fiber, as you guys can tell. Oh, I think the R32 is leaving, so I'll record that. We got a upgraded Mustang, but yeah, overall this GTR skin, I really love the wrap that they put, like dragon kind of skin. And then we got the Mustang, like I said, with drag radios. Dang, imagine how much Hoist had this thing. Turbo 5.0, I bet. Oh yeah, I think the Skyline guys in. Look at that turbo. Got some stickers. Yeah, I wonder if you could keep those stickers. I'm not sure. Then they got some more stickers over there. We got even more over here. I'll probably say what's up to Tay in a little bit. I'm just kind of nervous. These are the people who made the
I don't know, man. The
car meet, custom coating. They specialize on wheels and stuff like that, which is pretty cool. I think this is a shop. They're not small, but they probably have more. Some more VQs. A 350. A Maxima. A G35. What else?
Bring those here. Yeah. I think I might have a fix.
Oh, snap. Another G35. And then this is the silver Mick George, the one that I showed. He was the one that like posted this on his Instagram. Make sure you follow him on Instagram. He does photography. And then he has this like awesome 370, which is like my dream car. I'd love to own this car, his car. We got another 370 here, Snowman. Custom. With the Nismo. AR Racing front splitter, and then we got S14. Follow him on Instagram. Foss. He has a SR20. Oh, I like the wrap that they put in there. With a honeycomb intake. Yeah. I'll follow this guy, Milksteak S14. I'll show his off right now. I'm about to take a picture of this. Got a Vertec racing wheel. Jeez. This is the first time I've seen this car, to be honest. But it's super clean. An S14 Sylvia has like upgraded panels. It seems like. Sparkle seats, Takataka. Got the harness. But overall clean car. And then we got an Evo. Ooh. Peep the aliens. Got some bright pillows. Believe-o. I'm a believer. Where? Oh. Oh. I thought that was. Oh. Make sure you follow Ego Boost AZ if you like this Focus. Yeah, that's crazy. Oh yeah, the S14. I just found out that it has a 2JZ non-turboed, but the 2JZ the world. No, I'm just kidding. Got some 300 ZX. Oh, never mind. It's a Mac. Oh, for a second, I thought it was a GTR. I was about to cry. No, I'm just kidding. Taste GTR. I think everybody's about to leave right now. So I'm about to see if I could get a ride out of here. Look here, Filthy Samurai. Queen. She's imagine all the people living in peace. I'm just in love with the Liberty Walk vehicles, especially with this one. First time seeing it, and I'm already in love. Oh yeah. Make sure you follow Majestic Unicorn. I gotta take a picture of that because when I get my Instagram. Wait, did I take a picture of it? Oh no. Oh, there. Oh yeah. Speaking about that, make sure, well, if you're not already following it, make sure you follow my Instagram and Snapchat. So Instagram, Raptor XD623. I post like cars, like my photos of cars. See, at Raptor_XD. I was gonna do Raptor XD623. Oh, I did. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, there. But I just put Raptor_XD. It's better. And yeah. I'm gonna wait until my ride comes. Alright, right now they are all leaving. Got that Mustang, got that Liberty Walk GTR, got that 2017 Liberty Walk GTR. There is Tay. They're about to leave. Got the other GTR. My camera has like super bad quality. I'm one strapping my backpack, which kind of sucks. Got that Mercedes. Dang, the movement is crazy. Oh, another female. Got that. Tay. It's crazy. This one's clean. The Mercedes, I think they're all like in a group or something. Majestic Unicorns, GTR. I think they left. Oh no. Oh yeah, they're going that way, all the way over there. Got that GTR. Got the car that I totally forgot. Ooh, got the GTR over there. Ooh, I want to see some action. Got the tow truck following them. Something's gonna happen. Gotta go. Got these. They're rolling up in a squad. Let's see what this GTR guy does. This might be the ending of this video, so make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this, or like just like regular vlogs and stuff. I'll see you guys next time.